Good morning guys, today is June 22. Saturday is already 7:45 and syempre may trabaho ako ngayon. Okay lang kasi extra naman. And tomorrow is holiday dito sa Luxembourg and hindi ko alam kung makakapanood kami ng fireworks later. May fireworks mamaya ng 11 PM. And then, actually gusto namin makapanood ng fireworks kasi last year, hindi rin kami nakapanood kasi nagkasakit yung anak kong panganay. So, nagstay na lang kami sa bahay. Iniisip ko rin, baka kasi wala na rin kaming bus mamaya. Since hanggang 11:06 lang ang bus na sinasakyan namin direct sa bahay namin, baka hindi rin namin makuha. Tapos, meron namang isang bus na umiikot siya, actually 10 to 12 minutes yung ikot niya bago kami makarating sa bahay. Well, let's see. Umuulan, pero sana mamaya hindi siya umulan para maganda yung fireworks mamaya. Yun lang. Happy festive, Luxembourg! So, good afternoon guys. Today is June 25 and 1:20 PM to be exact. And welcome back to Madrid. Andito ulit ako sa Madrid. Akalain mo yun, parang ginagawa kong kaya po tondo lang yung Luxembourg to Madrid, diba? Well, anyway, I am here back again dahil meron na naman akong appointment sa dentista ko. Actually, bukas pa naman. Since wala kasing flight sa gabi, which is mas preferred ko ngayon, tapos kinabukasan, diba? Mag-work ako ng hanggang hapon, tapos flight ko ng gabi, and then kinabukasan, yung appointment ko sa dentista, and then balik na ng Luxembourg. Ganun before, last year, yung appointment ko, pero ngayon kasi nabago, since malapit ng ikabit yung, ano man tawag, implant, and then yung crown ng sangipin ko. And I don't know kung anong gagawin ko ngayon. For today's agenda, I don't know honestly. Siguro gagawin ko na lang ulit yung ginawa ko last time nung bumalik ako dito. Last 2 weeks, nagpaka-tourist muna ako. Diba nga, nakakamiss ang Madrid, diba? Punta muna ako ng bangko para mag-withdraw. And kahit wala yung tarjeta ko, kahit wala yung card ko, contactless naman yung ATM ko. So, pwede pa rin ako mag-withdraw. But this is my lunch for today and this is my view. Right. So, I am back and ipupunta muna ako sa Aldi para bumili ng chiclet ng aking anak. Aking panganay. And then later, wala pala akong toothbrush. Nakalimutan ko. Anyway, meron naman ako naiwang toothbrush. Yung nakaraan, so yun na lang ang gagamitin ko. Para hindi na ako bumili. Ciao! Grabe, sobrang init dito sa Madrid. So, okay, time check. It's 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. And pupunta ngayon ako sa aking kapitbahay. Siyempre para makipag-comments.
Akin na. Yung kahit yung... mo lang yan.
Tungit-tungit ba?
Teka lang, ilabas mo muna natin yung mama.
Nagpingira yun.
Nagtamaturo ka.
Ano lang pa?
Ha?
Ano, dapat siyang bugayan.
Sila marunong ka?
Puno pa dapat ta?
So, good morning, and today is June 26, and it's hardly 9:15 and today is kailangan humahon ng kamisa ng Spanya just because dahil sa Euro Cup sa mister ko. Yan lang. Sexy. Oo nga. Model. Di ba? Para sa okay lang din.
Di maganda nga siya.
Di ba?
Okay na pa kayo dyan.
Puta ka, wag mong harangan tayo na lang. Di ba? So today is July 3, if I'm not mistaken, and it's already 11:20 in the morning. Ayan, ang aking relo sa taas. And I am here sitting while waiting sa oras ng bus ko since today is Wednesday. And ang start ng work ko is 1 until 9 p.m. So, lalabas ako lang medyo maaga kasi since yung anak kong bunso, kumakain sa bahay, nagla-lunch, sa bahay ng kapatid ko. So, dadaan muna ako doon para syempre makita bago ako pumasok. Yun lang. See you later. Good evening, guys. Today is 6:36 in the afternoon or in the evening, and I am going home. See you later. Nandito na ako sa aming bahay. Aming bahay, charot. Well, actually, for today's work, I already worked 6 hours. 6 hours, yeah, from 1 to 7 or 6:30. Well, I am here already, and it's 7:05 in the evening, and I work for today, this video, and 6 hours. Wala pa 6 hours eh. Tama ba? From 1 p.m. to 6:30 in the afternoon. Wala ba nga? Good morning everyone. Today is July 6, 9:50 in the morning. Since ang work ko pa naman is 10 o'clock. Well, actually wala dapat akong work. Nung hindi na nakipagpalit yung kapatid ko. And then later we are going out with my kids. That's it. See you later.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you, but I always say that I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck.
Birds. Mirate.